What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, if it does not rain, hopefully it doesn't rain, today we're going to be installing my brand new JBtuned version 1 shifter. I used to have the Pro circuit, but some unfortunate events happened. I sold it so I can invest into Zosh MFG, and it paid off big time. Also going to be installing this spoon knob as well. So shout out to my man Neo from Neo Garage, because the shipping on that thing came in a day. I ordered it, Wednesday? I ordered it Monday, it came Tuesday. Now I have the date to actually install it on the car. So shout out to Neo Garage for the fast shipping, and shout out for the good deal on this thing too. You can follow them on Instagram and check out their website using my link down below. If you use my link, bro, it helps me a lot. Like, it really does help me. So if you ever go to neogarageonline.com, make sure you go to one of my videos and click my link. You know what I'm saying? It helps me out. So then your boy can get cool parts, you know what I'm saying? Let's get this thing ready to be installed. So I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it rained or not, but we gonna send it anyway. If this video releases before the video that I filmed days ago releases, I fixed my broken bolt problem. Now I have a bolt in there. I just gotta put the fender back on. So that's why, like, I'm really mean mugging out here with no fenders and no bumper. Kinda looks cool, kinda looks stupid. First step for me would be removing the bitch pin from the shift linkage. Basically, I'm just gonna drop the whole shift linkage itself because it's much easier that way, and plus you have to when you change out the shifter. So you're gonna need a 12mm, and y'all know I keep that thing on me, right? Like, y'all know I keep that thing on me, bruh. Bro, underneath my car does not look bad at all. I got an oil leak somewhere. What the hell? Uh-oh, I got a little oil leak somewhere. So we're gonna remove this bolt, which is a 12mm, and I don't have a punch for my bitch pin, so I'm gonna use a size 5 socket and hammer it up and then come down. Then we're gonna work our way to the back. So first things first, playboy. I love you, bro. Power tools is the best thing ever, bro. Makes life so much easier. Super facts. Now, if yours like mine and it's stubborn to come off, get like a little pry bar. I don't have my pry bar on me, so I gotta just force it off like that. I don't know if you guys even seen that, but I used the hammer and wedged it between the two and popped it off. So now that's off. Now we're gonna get the bitch pin off. Yep, got the pin out and my socket stuck. Oh, well, that's cool. It's out too. All right, now we work our way towards the back. Mine might be different for yours. I don't know the stock factory nut size. I'm pretty sure it's a 12, but I have American bolt on mine with an American nut. So mine's are 13mm, and up top are 12. Those are factory, so that's cool. So once I drop this, that'll just drop down, and then we'll just take it from there and put the JBtuned in, and we're gonna go for some rips. Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys, it's right here. There's a bracket that goes on here, and that goes right there where those two holes are. Those are 12mm bolts. And the reason why my shifter isn't completely off of the out of the boot or whatever is because I left the shift knob on. So yeah, make sure you remove the shift knob first and foremost, and then go about doing your install of whatever shifter you have. So the next step is removing the shifter, and how you do that is you got these funny looking things right here, which I hate, but if you use a 12mm like so, it'll fit just like, I can't, ugh. Well, if you go like that, it fits perfectly on that, and then the bottom is a 10mm, so loosen that up and your shifter comes out. So look at your boy Zosh being all teacher-like and stuff. Yeah, resume gang. Yeah, Indeed.com. Wow, I wasn't recording, but what I told you is what you gotta do. I got it loose. Damn, man. Trash. When you order your JBtuned shifter from whoever or wherever, JBtuned always supplies you the hardware and stuff needed in order for it to fit with your stock or Innovate or who else, Hasport shift linkage. So just a cool little FYI for you noise. Okay, so I think I did this right. I'm not too sure. All I did was reverse the process of what I did with the stock shifter. So I put this back on, I put this right here. I already got it tightened up and everything. Now, you know, when you get your shifter, you gotta loosen it with this right here. They supply all the hardware. This goes on like so, and then this, oh, so, rip. So when you're installing your shifter, make sure you remove this first so you can put the actual shifter part in there, and then like basically reverse what you did on the stock shifter. And they supply all their hardware. Don't lose that black washer. That black washer goes in there along with that Allen head. So yeah, pretty much straight simple process of how to install a shifter. What the hell is this? So as you guys can see, that is not gonna fit with a regular bolt. So that's why JBtuned offers some spacers, and hopefully with these spacers it should clear that little gap. If not, I have to make some modification on the linkage itself, but for the most part I think we should be okay. So what I did to make this work, I just used one of the big spacers, one of those little spacers, and one of those washers. I didn't have to use the extra washer slash spacer. But yeah, we're good to go. Whee! Oh, and before you put this on, make sure you put the shifter on first, because it makes things much easier. So now it's time to put this back on, and then we just throw it back on the car. So I got the shifter back installed. I got the two 12mm bolts for the upper bushing done. Now I just gotta put the 12mm over there and put the bitch pin back in and do the top portion of the shifter. This entire installation should take no longer than like 20 minutes tops, 20 or 30. But if it's your first time, then take as long as you want. Hopefully I've been thorough through this installation, so like even a guy like me can do it. So hopefully, you know what I'm saying, if you're less inclined than I am, and if you are, God bless your pure soul heart. Hopefully this install helps you install a regular shifter or a JBtuned shifter or whatever shifter you have for a B series. This also applies to a D series. So D and B series, hopefully this install video helped. Mad 'cause the girl call me Mr. Nice Feeling. Bouncing in clean from the sneaks to the fade. I ain't even in the game and the nigga look paid. Cockroach niggas get sprayed with the raid. So we just put this on like so. Make sure that lines up to that hole on it straight. So there we go. Then we just put that straight in there. Alright, that's tight. Damn. The throw feels hella short. I like that. It's like a short throw. Well, I think it is a short throw. Alright, we got the shifter on. Let's get the spoon knob on and see how well it drives. It looks sick though. Got everything together? Feels good. Feels so much better. Well, since your boy need gas, I guess we'll cruise out to the gas station. Gotta go get some gas. I got my co-pilot. She got a seatbelt on. You just guys can't see it. She has this, but at the bottom, I gotta put the straps on. But she's alright. How old are you? 8. Round it up to 10. Round 10 up to 15. 15, half cup, half empty. 20. You're alright. You don't need a seatbelt anyway. Car fast? Your daddy car fast? Her dad is my brother, which drives the red Central that be in the videos that y'all asked, yo, what's up with the red car? That's her dad. I love it. It feels amazing. So I've been driving for like the past 10 minutes to go to the gas station since my 85 station is too far. And it feels great, but I think I'm gonna change it to switch it around. Ambulance. Like I was saying, I think I'm gonna switch the shifter backwards. Like instead of it facing forward, it's gonna face this way. Like the shifter's. When I get to the gas station, I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do. But for the most part, bro, amazing. It feels amazing. Like the short throw, bro, it's awesome. Feels good. Don't worry, she's 21 years old. No, nigga. So this is what I was talking about. I'm gonna flip this the other way. So this is gonna face that way. Cause I think I gotta get more out of the shifter that way. Cause this feels like too long. Like when I go to shift, like it feels too long of like going into the gear. But it's short, like it goes in there short pretty good. But I'm just gonna switch that around and see how it is on the way back home. So never mind me swapping it right now because I didn't bring the Allen key, and the Allen key set that I have, which is metric, doesn't work. I guess I need a standard size. So rip to that. Made it back home safe and sound. I just finished swapping the shifter the other way. I think this is the way it's supposed to be actually. I'm not too sure. Well, at least I know now which way I would prefer it. So I'm gonna go give it a drive now. Ready to go for another ride? All right, let's go. So I decided to change the camera angle a little bit so you guys can see me shifting and stuff, because I ain't got no driver mile, but and I can't do a pull because my niece is in here, so I could just do some baby pulls because I ain't trying to get arrested on YouTube. We seen the video. I should make a video with you taking my 8-year-old niece for a ride in my 300 horsepower Integra. First initial reaction? Oh yeah, much better. Yeah, much better. Oh yeah. Much better. So if you do your install of your K2 shifter this way, this is the way it goes. We're heading to Mexico! Órale pues!
Granny shifting, not double clutching like you should.
That was cool. New sticker alert, granny shifting gang. New sticker alert, granny shifting gang. I'm kind of scared to beat on my car, to be honest. I don't want to blow the motor, but come track day later in July, I will be racing at the track. So my overall from just doing 2 little pulls and driving for like up to 15 minutes max, bro, this shifter is where it's at. Bro, the hype is real about the K2 shifter. The hype is real. I thought people just saying that just because they're getting clout or something. Oh yeah, bro, K2's the best, blah, 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 blah. But this shifter is no joke, bro. This is the best shifter I've ever driven my car on. And I've been on a lot of shifters. I'm lying, only been on a GSR shifter. But this is the best shifter that I've ever experienced. It's so smooth, bro. Like, the shifter is so smooth. I should never got rid of my Pro Circuit shifter, but just driving the version 1, I wouldn't upgrade, honestly, to be real with you. Like, unless I come across one for a great deal, I don't see the need to upgrade. So if you're out there looking to get a K2 shifter and you can't afford the version 2, and you can find a good deal on a version 1, just go with the version 1, because, I mean, I can't really say that because I never ridden on the version 2, but for the most part, bro, if the version 2 is better than this, I don't know, bro. This feels amazing, dog. Like, I'm not even trying to, like, say, oh, this video is sponsored, because it's not sponsored. This is just a good shifter, dog. Like, it's dope. Yeah! I'm about to go to jail. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I want to give a huge shout out to Neo Garage for having the K2 shifter in stock for a great. Bro, the deal was beautiful. I got it for a deal. You know what I'm saying? Deals on wheel, right? And if you're new to the channel, or if this is your first time watching the video, Neo Garage, not to be confused with Nemo's Garage, but Neo Garage is a company that I work with to bring you guys financing. If you want to get some Volt T37s, spoon knob, K-tune parts, NK wheels, blocks parts, skunk tube, anything you need for your car. Anything you need for your B series or K series or D series, or just for your car in general, whether it's RSX, Integra, EG, EK, whatever Honda chassis you have, I'm pretty sure Neo got the part for you. Hey, look, this between me and you. Don't go telling everybody this, man, but hey, if you're trying to save some money on skunk tube products, blocks, Enki, NRG, Innovate mounts, Brian Crowder, Muteki lugs, hey, bro, click the first link in the description box. Use code ZOSH5, bro. ZOSH5. The number 5. All one word, ZOSH5. And save some money, poo-poo! But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Did enjoy the video, could you please? Please don't break any more planets. Smack that like button for it, but that'd be greatly appreciated, dawg. I said that with some anger in my heart. Ooh, I need to go see it there. Thank you guys for watching this K-Tune install video. The K-Tune shifter is amazing. It feels great. If you're looking to upgrade from your stock shifter to a shifter, please go to the K-Tune, bro. K-Tune sponsor me. I'm out. Thank you for watching. Peace.